Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an LLC on Sunbiz. So let's start the video. So this is the official website of Sunbiz, sunbiz.org. Now, first thing first, name. Name is very important, especially a unique name which isn't used before. To check it, click here on Search Records. From here, you'll check corporations, limited liability companies, limited partnerships, and trademarks. So what you have to do, click on Name. Now search the name here of your corporation. Let's say Business. Now search. Now here are the results, the corporate names and business names, and the document number also. And you have to make sure you don't have any competitors. How you'll make sure? From here, status of the corporations. From here, you'll see that are they active or inactive. As you can see that there are few corporations that are active and others are inactive. Once you final the name, go back to home page of Sunbiz. Now click here on Start a Business. And here you'll see the option of LLC, Limited Liability Company. Click on it. Now you have to click here on File or Correct Florida LLC Articles of Organization. Now simply just check this option, that I have read and accept the terms of this disclaimer and acknowledge receipt of the filling information provided. After that, click on Start New Filing. Now, that's the main thing for creating the LLC, the form you have to fill. So what you have to do, you have to fill this form very carefully. Form asks to fill your filling information, principal place of business, mailing address, name and address of registered agent, and other information. So you have to fill the form very carefully, not even a spelling mistake, because this form is the main thing that you have to fill correctly. So once you've filled the form, please review the filling accuracy. Double-check the information you've added, because once you submitted the form, you can't update, remove, cancel, or refund. And then click on Continue. Now you'll see this form, where you have to add payment for the fees of your corporate filing, and after that, the confirmation page. Click on Continue. And that's it. This is how you can create an LLC on Sunbiz. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.